Okay, good morning, students. Yesterday class we discussed about the rain umbrella, some conditions. So here today we'll continue with few more cases of that. Then after that we'll go for the riverboat concept here. So yesterday's class it was like V1 was equal to 6 meter. No, so let me make V1 equal to 2 meter per second. The same situation, the same idea. So let the person walk with a velocity 2 meter per second. Then in what direction he has to hold umbrella, what is the velocity of raindrop with respect to man, all that we have to work out here. Okay, this is a road. Velocity of rain, VR, the same 30 degrees it is. Okay, now velocity of man, let it be 2 meter per second. How he has to hold the umbrella. Already we have discussed velocity of rain expression. Can you recollect that? I'll show it once. Expression for velocity of rain. 10 sine theta, so it was equal to 5 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap. This value I'm going to take care of it. 5 I cap no need to send answers immediately. Chat box. So yes, I'm doing recording. Yeah. Phi I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap. From yesterday, so it was a rain 10 meter per second. So what is the velocity of VR bar is equal to phi I cap 5 root 3 j cap. Okay, now V2 bar will become equal to 2 I cap. Take this much here. Now, in what action you should? So what I should find out velocity of rain with respect to man. So if you want, you can write Vm, anything, or I just took the second V2 as velocity. So we'll take the vector concept. VR is equal to VR bar minus V2 bar. VR bar is 5 I cap. So look at this, minus of this will be 2 I cap. Okay, again the same, so this will be 3 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap. This is the velocity of rain with respect to man, that one. VR to that one. So 3 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap. Whatever the direction, it will be fourth quadrant. To come fourth quadrant. So how we should hold umbrella? We should hold umbrella back, no? So here. Okay, we'll calculate that angle also. So here V2 bar minus V2 bar will come like this. This is what VR bar. So 3 I cap minus 5 j cap. Sorry, this is velocity of rain in this direction. So look at the resultant. Resultant is somewhere like this, no? VR2 bar. How to calculate that angle? So this will be 3 and this will be 5 root 3. So what about angle made by VR2? So you can take this is theta. This is some alpha 2, I'll write it. Tan alpha 2 equal to 3 bar 5 root 3 or root 3 by 5. So this is the angle made by the rain with respect to vertical. So where is that alpha? Alpha will come here in this diagram. I think take help of unit vectors and get that alpha too. So what can be how the rain now? So he has to hold umbrella in such a way that the rain it will come in this direction. So the umbrella, the dome of umbrella should be again that one. Look at the speed. Earlier, how he was holding umbrella in one direction. Now, from behind, the raindrops will come from behind. No? The raindrops will come from behind. He has to hold umbrella in this direction. What is the speed of the raindrops? We can further calculate like it. Take the magnitude of that. Look at the speed of the raindrops. So what is VR2? VR2 is equal to 3 square plus 5 root 3 whole square. This will be 9 plus 25 into 3. Root 84 meter per second. With much of speed, the raindrops will come and strike him. Compare the previous case. Previous case, he was holding umbrella in one direction. No? So it all depends upon the speed of man. It all depends upon the speed of the man. So here you will make an angle alpha 2. The angle alpha 2 will come like this. Okay, this was the discussion what we made. It's available like this. It's a independent concept. It will not. It's not like something very generalized one. Rain umbrella is only in this particular situation. Then again, the river boat concept. It's an independent topic. It's not like something very essential, basic, fundamental, which will get repeated in every topic here. Basic relative velocity VAB equal to VA bar minus VB bar. That is the essential one. All these are applications which are confined to only few limited cases. With what speed it should move so that it should hold umbrella vertically? Anybody? I will directly take to the next concept.
It will be equal to the speed of the rain, sir.
Yeah. Now the rain is pouring vertically down. The same thing, 30 degrees. This is velocity of rain. Then the man is walking on the road. Strictly, he will hold umbrella vertically. You hold umbrella vertically means the raindrops, how they should fall. The velocity of raindrop with respect to man should be vertically down. VRM should be vertically down. So the velocity of raindrops and how is the velocity of man? Velocity of man. What should be the velocity of man? If they ask you like this, what to do? Because they didn't give VM, no, in this case. Find velocity of man so that raindrops pour vertically down. Okay, I'm just putting in simple way. That's why he's holding umbrella against that one. So what will be the velocity of man? So what is the velocity of rain? What is the formula for velocity of rain? Velocity of rain equal to this was 10 meter per second. What like previous problem? So 10 sine 30, phi I cap. 10 cos 30, so phi root 3 j cap. Okay, this is the velocity of man, that one. Phi I cap minus phi root 3 j cap. Now look at the things carefully. What is the VRM bar? VRM bar should be equal to VR bar minus VM bar. Is equal to phi I cap minus phi root 3 j cap minus VM. How VRM should be? VRM j cap only. Then how you can write directly minus VRM j cap it is? How you can write like this? Because the rain is pouring vertically down. The rain is pouring vertically down. So therefore, minus VRM j cap is. So what should happen to VM now? Equate and further you write it. Let me write here. This will become equate I component. So VM equal to how much? 5 meter per second. If the man runs with a 5 meter per second, he has to hold umbrella vertically up. If he runs with more than 5 meter, he has to hold umbrella inclined in such a way that the dome of umbrella lies in the first quadrant. If he runs with a speed less than 5 meter, then the umbrella lies in the second quadrant. Able to make it out? I gave all three cases. Please do make observation. See, I can't discuss all the numericals which are available in all book. There'll be wrong way of teaching that one. So I should give a generalized method so that you can work out on most of the numericals. So the orientation of umbrella depends on what? VR bar and VM bar. By varying the velocity of man, as the orientation of umbrella will change. Is that able to understand the small basic things? How is the vector diagram? What about the vector diagram here? So this is VR bar. This is VM bar. And this is minus VM bar. So finally it will be minus VR bar. This is VR bar and the VRM bar. The VRM bar will be now directed vertically down. You can see from the triangle of vector subtraction. So the speed of the man will finally decide, no? So rain comes from behind, rain comes against his walking, rain falls vertically. Almost all cases I just brought it here. So we'll take it now. If the man accelerates, what to do? Audio, all of you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is saying audio is lost for me. Check once your connections, no?
No, sir, it's audible, sir.
Okay, fine, yeah. Somebody, RC, sir, audio, sir. Sir, audio is lost for me. RC, complete name, RC. Can't hear anything, sir. Everyone able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Check once. Okay, we'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. So one of the kid is telling RC. What is full name? Something I don't want to call RC. Let me put chat in. Let me just. Okay, this is one basic condition. Okay, we'll do one thing. If the person if accelerates, what changes will make it? Let the rain come. Let the rain be at an angle. Let the rain pour at an angle. Just we'll discuss the equations. So how to manage here, because we are discussing only uniform velocity with the person. Let the acceleration of man be am. So we'll accelerate from rest. Person accelerates from rest at t equals. The rain is pouring at an angle. So what is the velocity of rain with respect to man? So here, what is the entire discussion here? This will be VRM equal to VR bar minus VM bar. This will be VR sine theta I cap, VR cos theta J cap. What is the velocity of man? Will be acceleration of man AMT into I cap. If you're calculating the velocity of raindrop with respect to man, you have to take the vector sum. VR cos theta, VR sine theta. Anybody unable to hear me loudly? Maybe your phone.
Sir, the audio is very clear, sir.
Audio is very clear. Huh?
No disturbance.
I'll group all this. VR sine theta minus AM whole square plus. I'm using noise cancelling audio phones, not ordinary one. That maximum, because from my side noise should not get added up. From your side noise will not get added up to system. But from teacher side, if any noise generated here will go for everyone. That's why I just went for the noise cancelling one. So maximum from my side equipments, I don't think so there is any problem. Voice is not clear. I'll switch off the video. Somebody is saying voice is not clear. This will be VRM is equal to VR sine theta minus AM. So I just group the I components. This will be velocity of man with respect to velocity of rain with respect to man. So this will be AM into T. So definitely as the time T increases, as T equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 seconds, the VRM magnitude also will change. Whatever the direction. Listen. So here as such, we know this is VM. The vector diagram, I'll put it here. This is VM. This is minus VM. And this is what VR, no? So how the velocity of rain? So it may be so let me put only the vector diagram for this. If I put only vector diagram for this, it will be VR sine theta minus AMT. VR sine theta minus AMT. So that will come in this direction. This is one component. Then VR cos theta, the other component. So VRM bar will be now in this direction. So what is this? So let me take this as an angle. Let me take this as alpha. So tan alpha, what you can write it as? Tan alpha is equal to VR sin theta minus AMT by VR cos theta. So the value of alpha depends on this one. So what is alpha? Where I should indicate all how VRM will be somewhere like this. It all depends upon the value. So this will be VRM. So the person issued out umbrella. I'll just read you call. Okay, no. So if it accelerates, no, so then there's a method what you can apply. So whatever the angle, alpha depends again acceleration of the man. At one position is will the rain pour vertically down with respect to man? S. What is the time? The time at which the rain pours vertically down with respect to man will be VR sin theta by AM. Is that shall I write? Or here what you should equate, no? The I component should become 0. So here the I component should become 0. So VR sin theta equal to AMT. So I'll write down the time. VRMX VRMX equals 0 at time T0. So what is the condition now for that? VR sin theta T0 equal to VR. What is this T0? The time at which the rain will pour vertically down. Can we ask for you all this? Time at which rain pours vertically down, rain pouring vertically down with respect to man. So we should do umbrella vertically up. Like previous, just no, like so now there's unlimited, no, what all, anything I can ask you, no. The very generalized method is what you have to develop here. Okay, do make observation. We'll proceed for next one more last idea on in this.
Sir, what's the denominator, sir?
What do you mean by denominator? AM, acceleration of man.
Okay.
Not visible clearly. I'll make it correction. So this is AM. It takes some any like an inclined plane, something will be climbing. Okay, let this be a inclined plane. Let phi be the angle of inclination. So here the man it will climb up. The speed, let it be 4 meters per second. Let this angle be 30 degrees. He will hold umbrella vertically to protect himself from the rain. Now there's a one different types of surfaces will come. So the method is what you have to apply. So what is the velocity of rain? Velocity of rain will be with respect to man, it is like this. We'll hold umbrella vertically down and is moving up. And now how the what is the question like? A man is able to hear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. Huh? The screen not moving. Huh? Person not moving. I'll check it one. Okay, fine. We have some, yeah. So you take like this, 10 meter. Okay, now I'll put the question. Just read the question. It's a very simple condition here. A man climbing up an hill with a speed 4 meters per second has to hold umbrella.
Sir, there is a problem, sir.
Sir, disturbance, sir.
Uh-huh. Check now.
Sir, no, it's okay, sir.
A man climbing up an hill with a speed of 4 meters per second has to hold umbrella vertically to avoid drenching. Velocity of raindrops with respect to man is 10 meters per second. Find the orientation of umbrella if he climbs down the hill with the same speed. Can you show? Look at the question, last part of that one. My voice is very much low. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. A man climbing up.
Sir,
Climbing
additionally,
up.
there is a disturbance, sir.
Disturbance is there. Huh? Okay. Now, is it okay now? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes, sir. No
Clear, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll proceed now. Huh? A man climbing up a hill with a speed 4 meters per second has to hold umbrella vertically to avoid drenching. Velocity of raindrop with respect to man is 10 meters per second. Find the orientation of umbrella if we climb down the hill with the same speed. So look at the first diagram. This much is available for us. This is a hill. It's saying it appears inclined plane. It's a hill. What we don't know? We don't know velocity of rain. So first problem what happened in the first case situation, you have to calculate the velocity of rain. After getting the velocity of rain, then we have to calculate velocity of rain with this velocity of raindrop with respect to man, the second part of that. So the same hill. So the man, what will happen? He will climb them. So the rain in what direction it is falling, we don't know. So velocity of man in this case, call it as Vm1. It has to change, no? He has changing direction of motion. And what about Vm and Vm1? Speed will remain same. You will climb down with the same speed. Vm equal to Vm1, 4 meters per second. Okay, now we have to proceed here. So from the first diagram, we should get actual velocity of rain. That was the thing. So how to get actual velocity of rain? First, we'll define the velocities here. Vm bar equal to 4 cos 30 I cap 4 sin 30 j cap. So this will be 2 root 3 I cap 2 j cap. This is the velocity of man with respect to ground. We have information VRM bar. What is VRM bar? Minus 10 j cap. Can we calculate VR bar? Yes, it will be quite easy, no? VRM bar is equal to VR bar minus VM bar. VR bar velocity of rain with respect to ground is what needed. So minus 10 j cap. VR bar, this will be minus of 2 root 3 I cap plus 2 j cap. So VR bar, here I'll write it. So this will be VR bar is equal to minus 2 root 3. So this will become 2 root 3 I cap plus 2 root 3 I cap. Then minus 2 j cap when it goes when it moves to LHS will become plus 2 j cap and minus 10 j cap is there. So minus 8 j cap. This is actually velocity of rain. So how this particular vector, so 2 root 3 and this is 8. So get the direction of VR now. This is the VR bar. So let me take with vertical the angle made by the rain. Let me call that as theta. So tan theta here.
Sir, won't VR bar be 2 root 3 I cap minus 12 J cap?
Minus 2 j cap when it goes on left hand side will become plus
Okay,
2
sir.
j cap, no?
Okay, sorry.
So okay, no problem. Yeah, tan theta will be root 3 by 4. Okay, this is about the direction. So definitely, can we go and now predict the raindrop velocity of rain with respect to ground? Velocity of rain with respect to ground. Yeah, this one. So here it will be like this. This is theta. Now the same velocity of rain will not change. No, if I change direction of my motion, velocity of rain will change, will not change. So velocity of rain will be the same thing here. Now get into the second part of the problem. VM1 bar define, VR bar already you know it. Then get VRM1 bar.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, can you zoom out the screen, sir? and phones we are not able to see the down part.
I'll come out. This one. I think everything is visible. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
This is VR bar. So how to, first we'll define VM1 bar. If you are able to view this clearly in mobile, then I'll continue with this particular size.
Clear, sir, it's clear.
Yeah, then VM1 bar. So let's VM1 bar. Shall I say VM1 bar will be minus of VM bar, negative vector, no? So this should be equal to minus of 2 root 3 I cap plus 2 J cap. This should be equal to okay. Now what will happen? So once we know this J cap here, so VRM 1 bar is equal to VR bar minus VM1 bar. VR bar 2 root 3 I cap velocity of man, 2 root 3 I cap minus 8 J cap. This is minus of minus 2 root 3 I cap minus 2 J cap. So the 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, this will be 4 root 3 I cap minus 8 J cap plus 2 J cap will be minus 6 J cap. It all depends upon the calculations what we considered here. So how we should load umbrella? VRM1 bar. So roughly what about the direction of this? X component 4 root 3, Y component will be minus, so this will be 6. So the direction of VRM1 bar will be somewhere like this. This you call it theta some alpha. So tan alpha 4 root 3 by 6. So this will be 2 by root 3. So look at that alpha and put it here. So somewhere the velocity of rain, I'll just show it here. 2 by root 3, you look at the theta, this one, theta is root 3 by 4, no? 1.7 by 4. Here 2 by 1.7, which will be greater. 1.7 by 4. I'll give the angles itself, so it'll be easy for us. 1.7 by 4, 0.425. Tan inverse of it. .425. Value is 23 degrees. This theta is 23 degrees. 2 by root 3. 2 root 3 value 1.73. So 2 divided by 1.73.
Sir, 49.1 degree.
Tan inverse of 49.1 degree. Okay, fine. Yeah. So our answer will be so no. I think how the orientation of umbrella. Alpha should be more or less compared to theta. It should be more, no? Alpha is 49, theta is 23 degrees. So therefore, when I'm drawing diagram, I'll see that I'll continue. So it'll be like this. Are you able to visualize that alpha showing more than theta? And I should hold umbrella against this. Getting some conditions. So this is what you should write. This is V R M1. So now you can move on any surface. You can accelerate. You can move on any shape. You may climb up the hill, climb down the hill. So, but overall the basic concept is same. VR M bar equal to VR bar minus VM bar. Finish over.
Done, sir.
Completed this one. Okay, now I'll go to the river boat concept. Today what happened, let me discuss first the theoretical ideas and few basic certain numericals. Then tomorrow we'll go for application. Very good. This again, I'm telling this one, there are some limited problems there now. It's not like something, it's a universal topic where in every question what will happen, it will come.